I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure.
I found this piece on Facebook Marketplace. It belonged to a student that was going to college, and he had just graduated and he was getting ready to leave town. I got really excited about it because I hardly ever beat anyone to a cool piece on Facebook Marketplace. Other people see them, other people buy them, not me, no. I message them, it's like, oh, it's pending pickup. And that happens 90% of the time. So when I messaged him and said, hey, I want to buy the buffet, he said, okay, well, come over and get it. My roommate's home. He said, you can just PayPal or Venmo me the money and go pick it up. So my husband and I went over there, and guess what? It wasn't a buffet, it's a TV stand. I started with 1 coat of Hey Sailor, and I used my Little D brush, which is a blending brush that fits in the 8-ounce containers. I blended some sea glass over the top of the Hey Sailor. I really wasn't worried about the wood showing through because I'm going to do multiple layers.
Little by little, day by day, I'm caught in the middle of a spinning wheel where all I...
Don't worry about how it looks, because once you blend in the other colors, it will start to get prettier.
Pushed around, I'm nowhere bound, no solid ground. How can I get it back? How can I be strong? And all I do comes out wrong. I wanna be a saint, but I ain't. I'm far from. I wanna be brave, I wanna stand tall, but I feel like I'm losing this war. How can I stand my
And I said, is that a buffet? And the guy goes, I don't know what a buffet is, but that's the piece. Didn't know what a buffet was, but it was so cute. I just decided to go ahead and get it. But I didn't look at the dimensions. I just got excited. I got excited about it.
pushed around, nowhere bound, no solid ground. How can I get it back? How can I be strong? And all I do comes out wrong. I wanna be a saint, but I ain't. I'm far from.
Next, I'm going to blend in some Summer Crush, which is a really pretty orange. I'm also using my small JRV stencil brush to blend this in. And then I think I might switch to a little bit bigger brush. Be sure that you keep your spray bottle of water handy, because you'll want to spray down the paint a little bit to keep it moving.
Back to what used to be home, passing by those little towns I know so well, stopping for gas and then I'm behind the wheel again. Driving this like a spiritual cleanse, where every mile is a new beginning and every bend holds a new end. Eyes on the road, don't lose control. I'm speeding fast to chase my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day.
Not only do I procrastinate, I'm sort of a procrastinator, but I also only allow myself to really have a few projects going at once. So I'll just happen to go over and look on the Facebook Marketplace or other areas where I find pieces, and I'll see something really great, and then I'll think, oh, okay, I want that piece, but then I don't jump on it right away because I know I already have stuff to paint, and then by the time I go to buy it, it's gone. Now I'm going to blend in some Kissing Booth, which is a really pretty magenta pink. DIY paints are clay-based and they have a lot of pigment, and so when you're painting, you'll see that when it dries, it'll dry a little bit lighter color, but the color will come back when you seal over it.
Without my love for the ocean, I would be long gone by now. It's some kind of devotion that brings me down.
The finish that I did on this, I called it Carnival Glass because I tried it 4 years ago when I had a booth in a store, and I painted it and somebody said, hey, that looks like Carnival Glass. I probably would have never thought of it, but it does. It looks like Carnival Glass. But I didn't use DIY paint on that piece because nobody in town was selling it. I used a different brand. I used a bunch of different brands. It took me a long time because I was new at it maybe, and because the paint wasn't as good. Now that my piece is completely dry, I'm going to blend in some copper patina, which is the DIY Pennies from Heaven. I'm going to spray a little bit of water on it to keep it moving and to keep the patina sort of fluid, and so that it will get inside the cracks. But this, with the colors that I used and the copper patina, it just looks so pretty, and I'm really happy with it. And I was really happy that it didn't take me forever. And I just used 4 colors, and it didn't take me a million years like it would have in the past. So I'm happy about that. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys. Next month, maybe I'll think of something better to say. I don't know. I'm a procrastinator. Once it's dry, I'm going to seal the whole entire piece with DIY wax. This is a clear wax, and it's really buttery and easy to use. If you'd like to try this technique, I will put all the products that I use down in the description box, and I carry them all on my website, elsielaneboutique.com. And if you would like to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, My channel is Elsie Lane Boutique. If you're local to the Spokane area, I am at 100 North Houck Road, Spokane Valley, Washington. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.